Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a perm rod set using Palmer's Natural Fusions. And straight off the back, I have to say I absolutely love this line. The smell, the way it feels on my scalp. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into how I did this. Now this is the Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. It's a clarifying shampoo that gently purifies and nourishes your hair. And to that, I added a few drops of tea tree oil from the DIY cocktail kit. So now I'm using the Lavender Rose Water Conditioner. It says that it replaces lost moisture and softens your hair. So after applying the conditioner, I took a wide tooth comb and detangled my hair. Now normally I'm doing this in the shower, so my hair would be soaking wet. That's why it seems like it's a little hard to comb through my hair, but since I'm doing this in my living room, I took the spray bottle and sprayed the opposite side, and that's when you can see the comb gliding through my hair. So now it's time to style, and I'm using the Neem and Baruchi style hold. It's a medium to firm, humidity resistant hold. I'm using a few pumps of that, smoothing it into my hair and then applying the perm rods. So the trick to a good perm rod set is securing those ends. So even if you have to apply more cream to the end of your hair, make sure that's nice and moisturized, smooth it onto the perm rod, and then start to roll it up. The next day our hair is dry and it's time to take down. So I'm adding some of the, so I'm not going to butcher this name, just going to put it on the screen, but it's their hair food oil. It nourishes and fuels hair and scalp. I'm adding that to my hand before I'm taking it down to reduce frizz and to give my hair, some extra shine. Now it's time to separate and style. So it's up to you the amount of times that you separate. I don't have a set amount. I just feel for where my hair naturally separates, and then pull it apart and twirl it around my finger. Just know that the more you separate, the more definition you'll have. I was at the World Natural Hair Show and decided to get both sides of my hair shaved. Didn't take into consideration how different it would be styling my hair, but I'll work with it, and I guess bobby pins will be my best friend. So now I'm just adding bobby pins and pulling my hair back to make sure you can see the part where it's shaved at. It's growing back already. You can barely see the design, and it's only been a week, so I had to make an appointment. I don't know if I want it to grow in so that it's just regularly shaved like the right side, or if I want another design. Let me know in the comments below if I should get a design, and if so, what should I get? So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other style that I should try, and also if I should get a design in my undercut. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.